If you are looking for a profitable way to share your experience online, in this video I will show you how to turn your experience into a lot of money. These websites require no money to start, and some of them can earn you thousands of extra dollars per month for doing basically nothing. Right, so I looked into it. What I discovered is that the responder has a 4.5 out of 5 star rating on over 50 reviews on very reputable websites like G2, and they've also been awarded the Winter 2023 Leader badge by G2 has been. Getting it is simple, just register on the website with a work email and customize your profile to your interests and talents, and the answering algorithm will deliver research paper to you based on your work experience. Although a work email is required for registration, the payouts on this site are higher than any other focus group website I've come across. You'll be paid by PayPal after each project is completed, and you can transfer money from your PayPal account to your bank account. Today, almost everyone has to buy groceries, but what you do it and at the time you spend shopping to earn. About creating regular products, getting started is very simple. Just download the product tube app, get innovations, upload videos shot on your phone, and get paid in the form of an Amazon gift card in 5 business days or less. The app claims you can send these video reviews, earn between 50 and 80 per hour, which is very good and worth a try. Another website where you can sign up to become a mystery shopper is called Bestmark, and in addition to getting free food and services, work as an independent contractor and earn easy money. So there is a limit to how many mystery shopping jobs you can do, none in a given week. To get started, simply visit bestmark.com, click on become a buyer, scroll down and click apply. All you need to get started is a cell phone and some transactions. It's your job to complete tasks and then provide details about your experience. After that, depending on the job, you could earn up to $135 an hour. Although it's not the best way to make money on this list, it's still quite respectable, and we're still on the web. We have prepared much better sites for you. An app called Rapify may be able to do just that. It pays you hundreds of dollars a month to professionally wrap your car and takes it as you normally would, from work to the grocery store to a friend's house on the weekend, and wherever you drive another drive, you're behind the wheel. All you have to do is to download the Rapify app on your phone and create a free account and meet the minimum requirements, which include owning a 2010 and newer vehicle with less than 850,000 miles and no physical damage that would compromise our appearance make an impact. The more you drive, the more Rapify pays you. It's very easy to earn between $1,200 and $1,400 per month doing what you need to do. All you have to do is drive as you normally would. And if you're good at studying the app, it started qualifying you for campaigns based on your regular time.